What's going on, family? I want to give you a small video and show you how to reset your oil light. I actually just did mine, and I want to show you because this is a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado Z71, but all of them the same 2004 Silverado Chevy. What you do is you go to here, and you are going to check this out. You're going to get to where you get to your gas, where it say gas life. And once you get to that, you put your key not in the position to crank it up, but just to have your lights on. Then you go down here and you hold this steady. You just hold it. And when you hold it, it'll reset it, but I already did it, so it's running off. But see how I did it just then? See, it reset it again, but I just reset it while sitting here. And then now once you go back to this button again and you hit it, you see that? Or engine life 100%. So that's how you do it. Just want to give you a small video. This is a 2004 Silverado. Hold on.